I'm blue, I've been deed, I've been died, 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 I've been deed, I've been died.
In today's video, I'll be talking about how you can get your first 100 subs. So, there's a couple ways to do it. Using Instagram. Using Instagram can help you connect with your followers and subscribers. And the best way to contact your subscribers or your followers on Instagram is through direct messaging. As you can see on my profile, I post all my thumbnails and all my updates on there. So I can show the future uploads or uploads I've created in the past or ones that just came out. And you can also leave your link in Instagram, which makes it super easy for visitors to come into your YouTube channel. When I contact my followers, I can try to convince them to come and sub to my YouTube. Now with this method, you cannot be pushy. Send a message once with a little description of what your channel is about and what you do on there and why you want them on there. This method also can be kind of dangerous. Certainly do not go into other people's YouTube channels that have a considerable amount of subscribers and comment in their comment section. Don't self-advertise in their comment section. You'll get a lot of hate for this. I can almost guarantee people are gonna react negatively to this. I tried this myself and the outcome wasn't great. So for example here, you can go on Allier, he's pretty big. Garbage too. And you can comment, but the outcome will certainly, almost definitely not be good. So here I type in, hey, could you come check out my YouTube channel? I'm trying to get to 120 subs. Just please, trust me, do not do this method. If you want to grow your subscribers, the best way to do it is through Instagram DMs. Create an account and slowly contact your followers, but do not push them because the outcome will certainly, almost definitely not be good.